Question 15. A shape is made from a rectangle R and a square S. Also not drawn accurately, so we can't even measure it with a ruler. Okay, the shape has a perimeter of 44 centimetres. So perimeter, the distance around the outside, so the whole outside adds up to 44. And the area of the square is 36 centimetres squared. Right, so just the square, that's really important, that the square's area is 36 centimetres squared. Work out the area of the shape. To find the area, we're going to need to look at what the exact lengths are on the outside, so we can do length times width to find the area. The only information we've got that can really help us at this first stage is the area of the square, because the perimeter 44 could be anything. It could be anything as long as it all adds up to 44. It could be 11, 11, 11, and 11. That would still add up to 44, but we don't know it's that. It could be 100,000 different options. There's millions, because we don't even know if it's in decimals. But what we can say is, a square with an area of 36 can only possibly have one set of measurements, because a square's always got the same length and height, the length, the width. The two measurements that we can make are always the same. So we're going to start off with square S. So with square S, we know that equals 36 centimetres squared. So if we found the square root to find out what number had been multiplied by itself, we could find out how long it is. That's a really useful piece of information. So to get the length of S, we're going to find the square root of 36. What number multiplied by itself is 36? That's going to be 6. Now we know this, this can really help us out, because we can start to label the diagram with the facts that we understand. Every side of this must be 6, but we only care about the outside. So that's 6, that bit's 6, that bit's 6. That's all centimetres. Okay, that's going to help a lot here. We've still got these three sides to work out. Now, we don't know what that is yet, but that length there is going to be the same as that. So we know that's also 6 centimetres. So we've got two sides we don't know, but we've got a lot of other information here. We also know that those two sides are identical in length. So our next fact, saying that the perimeter is 44, means we can work out what that gap is. We've got 4 lots of 6 there. So if we start with the total perimeter, 44, we take away 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, which is 24. Take away all those numbers that we know, we're left with 20 centimetres on our perimeter. As both of those sides are exactly the same length, we can share that equally. So 20 centimetres divided by 2 means that each of those must be 10 centimetres long. That's 10 centimetres. And that one's 10 centimetres. Adding them all together gives us 44. So we've used the two facts and found all the missing sides. That doesn't answer our question though. We need to know the area of the whole shape. So to find the area of a rectangle, we could do this in two ways. Find the area of R and add it on, or find the area of the whole thing. I'll do both methods just to show they'll give exactly the same result. So to start off with, let's just do R. So we've got 6 times 10 to find the area of R. So that's 60. We'll add on the 36 for the square. 60 add 36 is 96. The other way of doing this would be to say 6 down. So we could have also said that the area equals 6 multiplied by the whole width of the shape, which is 16. 6 times 16, so we've got 60 add 36 again, which is also 96. You use whichever method you're most comfortable with. Either would be acceptable. Either way, we've just proven that the area of the whole shape must be 96 centimetres squared.